Let me introduce you to my party.
All right, here we're coming to you live again at BajaMicheladas.com. And what we have today, this is the Michelada guy, and I want to share with you an incredible recipe that was given to us by two incredible ladies. One by the name of Bianca Hernandez and the other one Raquel Pimentel. This is your recipe, girls. And so what they have created is called the Cucumber Margarita Miche. So let's get started. When we open up the original clear cup, what's inside? Well, we have a salted plum that's called a saladito, and it is delicious. And we have a flavor packet right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off by leaving the saladito, guys. Remember, this is not a rock, this actually gives it flavor. We're gonna put a saladito in there, and we're also gonna put some ice, because everything is nice with ice. And you wanna try this at home, guys, but not while you're driving, and not when you're going to go anywhere important. So just, you gotta go in there and crush the cucumber inside. Crush it inside so it can absorb. And we're going to put some pineapple juice, and we happen to have pineapple juice here. You can use any brand. We happen to use just the brand that we have available. And we're going to fill this up again to the very top. And we're going to put some more toronja. Now, we used two different things today. We are using Jarritos, grapefruit, and we're also using the tequila, sauza. And these are Bianca's and Raquel's favorite. So when it gets to the very top, they have asked me to squeeze in again a little bit of lime, a little bit of lime, a little bit of lime. There we go, a little lime. And finally, they say use the original flavor and give it a little bit more on top. So we're gonna put a little bit more on top. And my friends, this is the Cucumber Margarita Miche. We want to thank you guys, and if you'd like to submit your recipe online, you can go to www.bajamicheladas.com. You can also win prizes. You can share with your friends all these videos, and we are going to see what this is all about right now. So I can't wait. It looks pretty good. And I'd like to thank my cameraman. He's doing a great job over there. Ladies and gentlemen, I gotta tell you, this is probably one of the best that are out there. I am very surprised, and it is so good. What else can you do with our products? We have a lot of products to choose from.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito.